face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tianna. Hello everyone, this is Burn Beauty 2018 and welcome. We are going to install another beautiful wig by Outre Hair. It is Tianna and it is from their Perfect Hairline collection. It's a beautiful blonde, long blunt bob. I got it in DR4 Tiramisu and we're literally unboxing it. I was super excited. Thank you so much, Outre, for sending it to me. I love their wigs. My first wig was Outre. And so I'm excited to open this guy. She's so beautiful. I love it in the 613 as well. So we're just going to do a quick install on this today because these Perfect Hairline wigs are so easy to put on and they look, I mean, look at the hairline. It's perfect. Well, except for my cap sticking out. It's perfect. So here is the tag. Go. Beautiful wig. Let's get it out of the netting. This is what we do with our wigs. Now, I want you to know that if you are a burn survivor, I know that all the tutorials have the girls or gentlemen cutting the lace with an eyebrow, razor. And I don't want you to do that if you're a burn survivor. The times I tried to do it, I just cut myself. And it's a bad cut. You know, you're cutting into your skin grafts, and even if you don't have grafts, infection is a killer for us burn survivors. So you can simply cut this lace, and look at that lace. Can you see it? Beautiful. It's going to be simple, but you can just cut the lace with a good pair of hair cutting shears. And as you cut it, I'm going to cut it off camera, but as you cut this lace, just kind of wiggle your scissors a little. The only benefit of using the eyebrow razor is that you're not creating a perfectly straight line as you cut. Nature doesn't create straight lines, so it draws our eye to it if you cut it perfectly straight and then put it on your head. So just a little wiggle as you cut, and then cut away from this hair. If this is your first time wearing a wig, follow the hairline that's already there, and not a big wiggle, just a tiny little wiggle. And don't make straight lines. I'll be back to show you what I do with it. So I said I wasn't going to cut it on camera, but I did want to show you how little you need to wiggle the scissors. And these are shears, and I'm not holding them properly. Hold on. Good sharp shears or scissors, and just a little wiggle as you cut. Little. You just don't want a straight line. Okay, let's finish cutting. Okay, so I am done cutting. It only took a couple of minutes. This is wonderful lace on this wig. The hair is soft. It's a beautiful long bob. On the inside, you've got 2 combs on the front and a strap. So it's a really great wig, and your comb at the back, and the adjustable combs. This is more than enough to secure your wig if you're new. And also this has a free part, so this is like a very luxurious wig to have. Very nice. I can't wait to get this on. It's one of my favorite looks, really, is a nice light blonde wig and a red lip. So, let's get it on. Boom. So, underneath my wig, I always wear my cap. I don't have to wear cornrows or anything because I had a lot of hair and I cut it off to wear my natural hair in a pixie. So it's really, really simple for me. Let's put it on. Let's see. You just put this on your head, put the strap on. And guys, I give instructions. I know you may know how to do this, but some of the people joining us may have never worn a wig before. I like to get the combs hooked in underneath my silicone wig band. So it's not in my hair, it's never pulling, because sometimes with our skin grafts, I think it can give you a headache. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so look at the hairline. I haven't done any work. I don't even know if I'm gonna do any work. The only thing I did was cut the lace with the shears in a slight zigzag, and I have got this. You know, of course we need to lay it down a little and work with it, but look. Okay, let's get some flat ironing. Let's get a part in here. Oh, so pretty. Look. Tell me that's not growing out of my head. Tell me that's not growing out of my head, Outre. This is why Outre was my first wig. It's just wonderful. It's affordable. These synthetic wigs are really, really hitting hard. They are just not like your mother's synthetic wig or even my synthetic wig from when I was young. This looks like my hair. This lace is no joke. I didn't even spray it with my lace tint. I forgot, and I'm gonna leave it because I've got the proper color cap on underneath. So let's get busy. I'm talking too much. Okay, y'all. I haven't done anything except put a little part in it. I was going to wear this with a middle part, but I really love the way this is hitting me with this one little piece here that wants to kind of go to the side. That looks so natural to me. And I like the way it's coming over the top here. It looks very, very pretty. So let's put a little bit of wax on here. This hair is just really soft, and the melted hairline is truly melted. I don't need to do any work on it. It's amazing. Okay. Shiny. I don't even feel like working on it. Wig for beginner. When it comes out of the package, you want to, just like your natural hair, might want to bump it a little bit here and there. The color is just everything. So I like to run a wide teeth comb through it. Let's get out any little. You sometimes create some little snags with the flat iron and the wax and stuff. So if you've not done this, if you've not worn a wig, this is really a good one for you. I recommend this for all new beginner wig wearers. Look at what I'm leaving up there. And I'm leaving that because it looks so natural. I didn't even spray the lace. See what it looks like in the back. How are we looking? So I am absolutely just loving this side part. I mean, I feel like diva. But let's see what it looks like with the middle part. Any lace tint on this lace, but you know, that's why this is called, you know, melted lace. Or melted hairline. I mean, that's why it's called, this is why this is called melted hairline. And there it is with the middle part. Feels very pretty.